Welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Barun, and in this video, we will walk through how to transition from a master page setup with your multiple booking pages, event types, and tags into our new booking calendars. In our classic booking calendars, creating a filtered booking directory required a complex multi-layered setup. Typically, you would create booking pages for each user, location, and conferencing option there. We'll assign tags and filter availability. Now, then link multiple event types and booking pages, then offer scheduling using one master page link. However, we have simplified this with booking calendars. Now, let's take a look how to do that. Let's say we are a global company offering multiple types of meetings by multiple users in multiple locations and multiple languages. Let's see how to go ahead and set this up. To begin, we will first set up the availability and the conferencing options. You can do it from the profile icon for the relevant user, or you can click on the users from the gear icon, select the relevant user, head over to the availability, schedule meetings, edit weekly hours. With the availability already set up, I'll just go ahead and select the video conferencing option and add a location for in-person meeting. Next, apply this or on for throughout the week and apply. So we are set with location and availability. This needs to be done for specific users. So with that, let's head over to user attributes from the gear icon. Now, we are offering multiple languages. So user attributes will help your visitors or your clients meet with the right person there. So let's create an attribute based on languages. Save. So we can go ahead and add options here. Let's say we will offer in German. Now we can go ahead and select the relevant users. Let's say German language is being offered by Grant, and we have James here. Save and add another option. Then let's say we are offering Spanish. That is being offered by Maria and James again. Save, add new option. And we are also offering English. Let's say this is name offered by Jolene and Henry here. So we have the attributes and the options which are associated with the relevant users. With that, we are all set from the point of view of availability and the attributes. Now, let's see how to create a booking calendar. You can head over to the booking calendar lobby and click on create booking calendar. You have an option to create from scratch or from a template. Let's create from scratch here. Initial consultation, let's call it with Henry. Now, once we click on create, we are brought to the booking page or the booking calendar setting page here. You just need to confirm the host and we are all set. Now, on the profile level, we set up availability or the location based on the video conferencing and the in-person meeting. But in initial consultations, let's say we are only offering phone. So you can select the customize availability option and click on edit. Let's say we are just going to be offering phone. So we unselect the options that are not required and let's apply the changes rest of the week. So we have set up the availability and the location. Now, here you can select which type of session you want to offer and your relevant time slot settings. In the booking form, like we used to have a booking form editor in the classic booking calendars, the booking pages, we have the booking form here on the calendar itself, and you can add all the relevant questions here and set up your booking form here itself. Next comes the notification. You can control all the customer notifications on the booking calendar itself. You do have an option to customize them as well as select which notifications to send and which you do not want to send there. Now, with the booking calendars ready for this scenario, let's head over to Booking Hub. Once we are ready with all the relevant booking calendars, just head over to Booking Hub and let's create a Booking Hub here. Let's call it Global Meeting Link and create. Now, let's set all the relevant booking calendars. So we are offering two types of meetings. So we'll just go ahead and add those relevant meeting types here and apply. With all the booking calendars added, next is categories. We're offering two types of meeting. Let's say initial consultation and investment planning meeting. With these added, we just need to go ahead and move the relevant booking calendar to the relevant category. Now, once this is done, our booking hub is going to be ready for sharing and scheduling. So we have all the relevant booking calendars in their respective category added. Now we can go ahead and toggle on the filters option. This will go ahead and help us select the relevant attribute. So we can definitely filter out using the attribute. Now here you have the option to change the text to go ahead and advise your clients to use the relevant option or filter by. Let's say we can use filter by language. Save. Now our booking hub layout is ready. So let's head over to page designer, customize the URL. Let's call it global meeting link and save. You can select a background. Now we offer videos as well. You can select it, select a relevant specific logo. We can select an image as well for the profile. Since it is a global link, I'll be using a random company image. And let's give it a heading. Let's call it Global Meeting Link. With that, we are all good to go and save. Now let's take a look and see how it operates. Click on Share Page and open your link. So here you'll see we have two options. Those are the categories: initial consultation and investment planning meeting. Let's say I want to meet for initial consultation and I want to meet in German. So I have Grant offering that. Let's head back. Let's say I want to go ahead and let's say I want to meet for investment meeting planning here, and I just want to meet in Spanish. So I have Mary and James offering the meetings there. Let's see who we have availability with. We have availability with Mary. And go ahead and click here, confirm, and fill up the form and schedule my meeting. So this is how we can go ahead and set up a meeting there or set up our requirement that we had in the booking pages with multiple event types, multiple booking pages and master pages. We can just combine it here with attributes, categories, booking calendars, and booking hub in a very compact manner. So thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.